Struggling with interpolation in exams? This one trick can save your marks. Hello students, welcome back. Let's start the question. A manager wants to determine an appropriate learning percentage for a new type of work his company will undertake. He has obtained unit times for the initial 6 repetitions which are given below. So we are given here the total 6 repetitions data. Suppose first unit has taken 46 minutes. In the same manner, data is given up to 6 units. Determine the learning percentage. So in the given data, we need to find the learning percentage. So here we can see time taken by first unit is 46 minutes. Time taken by second unit is 39 minutes. And time taken for 4 units. Why we are doubling here? Because when in units we need to double the units and time will reduce as per the learning curve. So for 4 units time has been taken 33 minutes. These data we are taken from the question itself. Now we will find the learning percentage ratio. So we will divide the previous number by the current number. In this manner we will find the learning curve ratio. So 39 divided by 46, it is approx 0.8478, which is nearby 85%. In second case, 33 divided by 39, here we can see 0.8462. It is also approx 85%. So overall learning curve percentage is 85%. So the learning curve percentage is 85%. Second part, estimate the average time if a total time of 30 units are planned. So here we need to find the average time and total time of 30 units. So coming to the second part, here we need to find y30. Formula is a into x to the power b. Here time taken for first unit is 46 minutes. 46 into 30 because we are finding time for 30 units. 30 to the power minus 0.2344. It is a ratio of 85% learning curve. So don't worry students, learning curve ratio will be given in exams. Now coming to the next part, 46 divided by, here it is given in as a negative, so we will convert positive. For converting positive we need to divide by 1. So 46 divided by 30 to the power 0.2344. Now we will find the value of 30 to the power 0.2344. 2.2199. So average time for unit 30 is 20.73 hours. To calculate total time, we will simply multiply by 30 units. So total time for Y30 is 621.90 hours. Now the third part is, after producing how many units will completion time less than 15 minutes per unit be achieved. So here we need to find that within 15 minutes how many units are produced. So we have already taken the data from question. For 4 minutes time is taken for 33 minutes. Now we have already calculated the learning ratio, so we will apply 85% learning ratio. Here we will double the units. For 8 units time is taken 85, which is 33 ka 85%, 28 minutes. For 16 units, 85% of 28 minutes, which is 23.84 minutes. For 32 units, time taken is 20.27, which is 85% of 23.84 minutes. In this manner, we will calculate up to 128 units. Why? Because we need to find the total unit produced for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes will come in between 64 and 128 units. Now by using interpolation method we will find for 15 minutes. Here we can see for 64 units time taken is 17.23 minutes and for 128 unit production, time is taken 14.64 minutes. So what will be the unit for 15 minutes? So first we will add 64 plus the difference between these two units, 2.23 divided by 2.59 into difference between these units, 128 minus 64. So 64 plus 56 is equal to 120 units. So within the 15 minutes, unit produced is 120 units. So guys, in this place, how it is arrived? 2.23 is arrived. 17.23 subtract 15 minutes. 2.23, and this number 2.59, we will subtract 17.23 minus 14.64. So the bigger one is 2.59 and the smaller one is 2.23. Hope it helps and clarified you. Thank you.